tryna be a trap nigga. Now I got me some floor seats at the game, tryna go bad nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the wood, smoking on Pat nigga. Drunk texting my wifey, so I know I'll get a text back.
Hello guys, this is Nikita again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it so much, and please make sure you click on this subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my subsequent videos, because darling, I assure you, you're gonna love it here. It's gonna be lit here, okay? So just stick and stay. And if you're a returning subscriber or if you're a returnee, sweetheart, thank you. You are the real deal. And please make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that, okay? Let's keep this family growing. So I did this jumbo ballerina band by myself, okay? So I am going to show you how I did this, and it's very easy. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video and let's get things done. Okay, all right, I'll see you. Okay guys, so to start with, I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with Shea Moisture Smooth and Tame Argan and Almond Milk Moisturizer to give my hair some sort of moisture and shine, because my hair is quite very dirty. I've not washed it for a while now, so like it's quite dirty and it looks a little bit frizzy and all that. So I'm going to do that, and I'll seal the moisture with the coconut oil I have in my hand. So I've done that, and I think we are good to go. So enjoy the video. So now I'm going to be slicking my edges out a little bit with this Shea Moisture Edge Control Growth Cream, whatever it is called. It looks a little bit frizzy, so I'm using that to like slick it out a little bit so that it looks nice and presentable. Okay, so I'm going to be using this ultra braiding hair, and I'm going to, you see when you take it out, it's in this long form and there's like a rubber band in the middle of it. So I'm going to take that half part of the one side of the rubber band. Technically I'm just using half of the braiding hair, okay? Yeah. So then I've grabbed my big size donut bun, and as the name and the title of this video goes, it's a jumbo ballerina bun. So we need a big ass size bun to do this, okay? So now, as you can see, I'm trying to cover every part out and blend it in so that it's seamless and doesn't isn't obvious that it is not my hair. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not pushing my hair under or anything. I'm just blending it in with all the other hairs so that it looks quite the same. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so at this point I realized the hair is a bit too long. Okay, so I'm going to cut off the excess hair that is left so that the hair becomes nice and seamless. All right, there you have your jumbo ballerina band, guys. It's super cute and it's so quick and easy to do. Do well to try this at home sometime, okay, and let me know how it went. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have made it this far, you are the real deal. Okay, do well to subscribe if you haven't, and hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Like this video, share to your friend, comment your opinions, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.